guys, you think I can try the V5.0? Maybe make a video for my channel? I think Tattu's probably cool with it. V5? 5.0, Johnny 5, you know?
What do you think? What's your qualifying position on the global list?
I don't know, like 150? It's pretty fast.
150. It's like...
That battery is probably too fast for you, man. Like, I'm sorry.
But it's 5.0, I need 5.0.
Yeah.
Well, I
feel like you need maybe 2.0, maybe like 1.50.
We're not sure if Johnny 5 is ready for the V5.
Yeah, like, I mean, we get it. He's a famous YouTube star, but you know. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe you can hold it, like, and give it to you to hold, like, yeah.
The R-Line 5.0 Tattu kicks up the power rating on this all the way to 150C. This is the most significant upgrade that we've seen in the R-Line series in a number of years. Much more punches, much more power. This contains a new AL bromide. Now it looks suspiciously like it says AI, and there was another YouTuber that actually thought that it meant artificial intelligence, which is actually what I also thought as well. So thankfully Lamone pointed that out to me, that it was not AI, it was AL for aluminum. So there are new aluminum plates that help to make this a little bit lighter. So that's where some of that weight reduction comes into place. The most punch, the least amount of sag. So for competition, or when you need to be able to go longer and farther, this is the new formula.
Rolling with the 5.0 with my stack sack off so my board gets flow, and we're about to send it at the night spot to see how fast this V5 is gonna make me going around the track here. Do I get more punches? And we've made a special track with a lot more verticality and really long punches to see how much of stress we can put on it, and does it bounce back? And I'm going to put a lot of stress on the 1200 milliamp hour because it's 25 grams lighter. For small tracks, it'd be perfect. And on this track, I'd actually use the 1400, but I'm going to do it on the 1200 just to see if it sags out quick or if it gives you a lot of punches for a long time.
All right, here we go. 5.0.
Go!
Man, this thing has a lot of power.
Last year, we said that the Tattu 4.0 was the best battery on the market. But this year, the 5.0, guys! This right here, this ain't nothing. This is the new 5.0. It's got more power than you could possibly know what to do with. Now, I couldn't get my hands on one of these for the longest. I was begging Tattu. I was even begging Lamone and In-Him Grower. I even saw this at Mayhem when J-Box showed me he used it to win the individual race there against some of the top pilots in the world.
5.0!
What?
Yeah.
Now, when I asked these guys if I could try the 5.0, they said no. Huh?
Where did they get them from?
From Tattu.
From Tattu?
First they told me...
Tattu said they're running out of stock very quick.
Is it released yet?
Yeah, I think it is released.
It's in some
you
stores?
can buy them now, but they said they're running out of stock really quick.
Oh man. This is now garbage. Throw it away.
Yeah.
Now there's the V5 with artificial aluminum.
Artificial intelligence aluminum.
Artificial intelligence, but it's really aluminum. Yvonne did actual real testing, so go watch his video where he does real torture testing, and you can compare the actual CAC time you get
About 1% better
versus CAC time on here. Is it only 1%?
Yeah. Well, 1% like consistently better, you know, across the whole stress test, you know what I mean?
1%.
Hey, 1% is better than 0.5%, right?
I mean, that's kind of like when I used to go to my friend's house and they would have that fruit punch. It was like a fruit punch. It came in a milk jug, and I looked at it one time and it said 1% fruit juice. And I was like, only 1% real juice in this, but it was delicious.
It's like a homeopathic fruit juice.
It was mostly sugar.
Yeah.
And that's what this is. It's gonna give you a real sugar rush all the way through
if you think about it, 1% for the battery, like it's, yeah, I think it's something, right?
That's not that exciting though.
It's not that exciting, but you know, every year you become a little bit better.
But if you think about it, when Chief was in Costa Rica racing against Minchen, it's what, 90 seconds for 3 laps, 100 seconds? How many did he lose by? 1.1 seconds. That 1% could be the difference between winning and losing thousands of dollars. So 5.0.
Vice versa though, because some people are having faster laps with like slower quad, you know what I mean? So maybe you need a V4 to slow you down.
It could be, maybe, yeah. Both of them are good, but I like 5 because it has a 5 in it for Johnny 5, and it has 5.0. If you ever remember, did you ever remember the Vanilla Ice song? 3 grams lighter and 1% faster.
0.3% lighter.
Yeah.
And 1% faster.
But that's the game we play
how
though.
industry
You know
works,
how these goggles in this module is only 1% better than like the Sky Zones. But we want that extra percent, so that's why we buy this fancy stuff. Or I buy it.
Only 1% better. It's like,
Only 1%
it's about
better.
like 1,035% better.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
You can see by the time how long you can hold like full throttle before it says ain't leaving. And like, yeah, it's noticeably, V5 noticeably better, like just like 10 seconds longer, I don't know. Yeah, well, I gotta test more, but.
Very good. Yeah, oh yeah.
1. Call him out. 2. I see somebody. Is that you? Okay, that was pretty crazy. Yvonne's testing says it's only 1% better, but my finger black box feels like it's like 5% better.
This finger black box is strong. It is strong. 9,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
For these fingers. You guys subscribe to Johnny 5.
Yeah, use your fingers to go hit the subscribe button right there. No, not thumbs down, thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Like that.
Yeah.